isomerism. In isomerism, in the previous class we did discussion that stereoisomer and structural isomer, these are the two isomers, stereoisomer and structural isomers. Structural isomers we discuss 4. Ionization isomer produces different ions. Linkage isomers, presence of ambidentate ligand, and due to which the coordinate bond between ligand and metal जो बनेगा, donor atoms are different. Coordinate isomers, there is an exchange of ligand between the metal within a coordination sphere. And fourth one is a solvated or hydrated isomer, where the number of water molecule inside the sphere and the outside the sphere are different. Now let's see stereoisomers. In stereoisomerism, we will discuss two isomers, geometrical isomer and optical isomer. But specifically, what is stereoisomers or stereoisomerism? Stereoisomers, the complex having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different stereospecific properties are called as stereoisomer, and the phenomena is known as stereoisomerism. In stereoisomerism, we are going to discuss two different isomers. Let's discuss first, that is geometrical isomer. What is geometrical isomer? See, in geometrical isomer, actually it is a stereoisomer. Means the molecular formula and the structural formulas are same, but the arrangement of ligand around central metal atom or ion are different. Then they are called as geometrical isomer. Means what? पहले मैं एग्जाम्पल देता हूं, then I will put the explanation for that. If I consider Na2B2 complex, N is the metal, A2 and B2, these are 4 ligand. I am talking about 4 coordination number complex. I can write this Ma2B2 as Ma2B2. This is the one type of arrangement of ligand around the central metal atom or ion. This can be written as Ma2B2. क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन में आ रहा है? In the first case, same ligand are on same side. In the second case, same ligand are on opposite side. Means the arrangement of ligand around the central metal atom or ion is different. Hence, these two are geometrical isomers. The arrangement where the same ligands are placed on same side is called as cis form. And if the same ligands are on opposite side, it is called as trans form. See, same ligands are on the same side, distance is close, the repulsion is more. And as the repulsion is more, stability is less. Means cis form is less stable. While in trans, the distance is more between the same ligand, so they are more stable. stability is more. They are less stable and therefore more soluble in water, and they are less soluble in water. Less soluble in water. क्या क्लैरिटी आ रही है इसमें? Geometrical isomer. It is stereoisomer where the molecular formula is same, structural formula is same, but the arrangement of ligand around the central metal atom or ion is different. Then they are called geometrical isomer. If the same ligand are on same side, then it is cis form. And if the same ligand are on opposite side, it is called as trans form. Cis form is less stable and more soluble in water. Trans form is more stable and less soluble in water. If we are giving the example, then in this type of complex, you may submit the example platinum NH3 twice, let me take nickel NH3 twice Cl2, diamine dichlorido nickel 2 neutral complex. कंपल्सरी न्यूट्रल ही होना चाहिए. Cationic, anionic, neutral, all type of complexes having formula like Na2B2 shows geometrical isomer. Shows geometrical isomer. I can write nickel here. If I write NH3, NH3, Cl, Cl, same side, then it is a cis form. And if I write nickel, NH3, NH3, Cl, Cl, opposite side, then it is trans form. That is an example. Even Na2BC, this type of also coordinate compound having 4 coordination number shows geometrical isomer. What we will do? I can write BrCl. And if it is so, Br, this is cis form and this is a trans form. Example of geometrical isomer with 4 coordination number complex. But dear students, see, agar the complex is like Na4, means homoleptic complex अगर है तो ये homoleptic complex में when I arrange the 4 ligands around central metal, different position is not possible because all the ligands are same. All the ligands are same. Different position is not possible. That means such type of complex does not show geometrical isomer. Even if I consider Na3B, this complex also does not show geometrical isomer. ये जो मैं बात कर रहा हूं, this is about the 4 coordination number. मैं 4 coordination number की बात कर रहा हूं. 4 coordination number यानी 4 ligands forming 4 coordinate bond with central metal. A2 यानी 2, BC यानी 2, 4. If such type of complexes are there, does not form geometrical isomer because different arrangement possible नहीं है. That's why. Sir, क्या 6 coordinate number complex भी geometrical isomer show कर सकता है? Answer is yes. 6 कोऑर्डिनेट नंबर के एग्जांपल्स हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं। 6 कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर। If the complex is like NA4B2, the complex like NA4BC, and the complex like MAA2B2। सर वो AA2 क्या लिखा आपने? A4B2 आप समझ गए 6 लिगैंड्स हैं, 4BC 6 लिगैंड्स हैं। AA is the bidentate ligand. It is a bidentate ligand और bidentate ligand है, दो बार मतलब 4 कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बनाएगा। B2 2 यानी 6, यानी ये तीनों एग्जांपल 6 कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कॉम्प्लेक्स के हैं। एग्जांपल लेते हैं हम लोग। Na4B2 कोबाल्ट NH3 4 times Cl2, कोबाल्ट ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर अभी तक देखते हैं +3 है, Cl2 -2 है, so this is +1. When I write this one as cobalt 6 coordination number 4 NH3 1 2 3 4 and 2 Cl1, square bracket is complete +1. कौन सा फॉर्म होगा ये? सीस होगा कि ट्रांस होगा? कोबाल्ट है, 4 अमोनिया है, 2 Cl अटैच है, ये सीस फॉर्म होगा कि ट्रांस फॉर्म होगा? ये हमारे सामने क्वेश्चन है। द आंसर इज सीस फॉर्म बिकॉज सेम ग्रुप आर ऑन सेम साइड। बट इफ आई doing the arrangement within the complex, NH3 यहां से चेंज किया, NH3 यहां लिखा और Cl यहां लिखा, सेम ग्रुप आर ऑन अपोजिट साइड, देयरफॉर दिस इज अ ट्रांसफॉर्म। ये ट्रांसफॉर्म का एग्जांपल है। Na4B2 टाइप ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स, उसका एक एग्जांपल ये है। सर Na4BC की बात अगर करते हैं तो इंस्टेड ऑफ Cl व्हाट आई विल डू, I will write BrCl, then Br. This is transform और इसी को cis फॉर्म अगर बनाना है, इंस्टेड ऑफ Br I can write NH3 और NH3 की जगह मैं लिखूंगा Br. This is the cis form. Na4BC टाइप एग्जांपल। 6 कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर का कॉम्प्लेक्स भी अगर है तो वो ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर शो कर सकता है। लेट मी टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ बायडेंटेड लिगैंड। बायडेंटेड लिगैंड, कोई भी बायडेंटेड लिगैंड जो हमको पता है, अगर उसको हम लोग खोजे तो इथिलीन डायअमाइन हमारे पास बेस्ट एग्जांपल अवेलेबल है। M I will take cobalt again, ethylene diamine 2 bar and Cl2 +3 -2, this is +1. How to write its geometrical isomer? इसका मुझे geometrical isomer लिखना है। What I will do? Cobalt forming 6 coordinate bond, ethylene diamine 2 times Cl +1। और अगर सोचे कि ये कौन से प्रकार का आइसोमर होगा, सीस की ट्रांस, अगर ये विचार मन में अगर आता है तो आंसर गारंटेड हमारा आएगा सीस फॉर्म, बिकॉज सेम ग्रुप आर ऑन सेम साइड, देयरफॉर इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ सीस फॉर्म ऑफ द वेरी गुड आइसोमर। ये बायडेंटेड लिगैंड का एग्जांपल मैंने दिया इसमें, बायडेंटेड लिगैंड। एंड इसी को अगर मुझे ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है तो व्हाट आई विल डू? En, Cl यहाँ है, Cl यहाँ, I will put En here. Now this became an example of transform. ये example transform का बन गया. It is a transform. Here also जैसे हमने यहाँ पर कहा था कि in 4 coordination number homoleptic complex does not show geometrical isomer. Here so the truth is there. If the complex is Ma6, the complex is Ma5b, then this complex does not show geometrical isomer. Arrangement ऐसी different possible नहीं है. This is about geometrical isomerism. मैं complete एक बार और रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ. Geometrical isomerism. What is that? Stereoisomers. The compounds having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different stereospecific properties are called as stereoisomers. It is of two types. Number one, geometrical isomer. Heading, geometrical isomers. Explanation. It is a stereoisomer. Number two. The complexes having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom or ion are called as geometrical isomers. If the same ligands are on same side, then it is called as a cis, and if the same ligand are on opposite side, then it is called as a trans. Cis form is less stable because repulsion is more and is more soluble in water. Trans form, same group दूर है, repulsion is less, it is more stable and less soluble in water. So, if we consider homoleptic complex, it does not show geometrical isomerism in 4 coordination number as well as in 6 coordination number. In 4 coordination number, if the complex like Ma2B2 or Ma2BC shows geometrical isomerism, उसका example हमने दिए. In 6 coordination number, Ma4B2, Ma4BC, Ma2B2, where A is a bidentate ligand, then they shows a geometrical isomerism because their arrangement of atom around the central metal atom or ion, arrangement of ligand around the central metal atom or ion is possible. Cis and trans form are possible. Therefore, we can say that geometrical isomerism is possible in those cases. Clear? I will explain the stereospecific properties का मतलब भी क्या है. Let me explain now. Optical isomerism. वो डेवलप डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Then I will also explain what is stereoisomer. Optical isomerism. Second one. Now, what is optical isomerism? See, optical isomer title we discussed in halogen derivative of alkane, where we discussed the example of lactic acid CHOH CH3 asterisk mark. आपका मनपसंद आयना यहाँ पर होता है OH COOH HCH3 asterisk mark. This is dextrorotatory and this is levorotatory. ये हमने वहां पढ़ा है हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव अल्केन में. यहाँ पर केस क्या है? डिफरेंट केस नहीं है, हम छोटा टाइटल है, ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. फिर हम लोग और डिटेल में डिस्कशन बाकी करेंगे. ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर. Optical isomerism is stereoisomer. The compounds having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but shows a different rotation when plane polarized light is passed through the complex are called as optical isomer. two optical active forms of same substance in which one rotate plane of plane polarized light in clockwise direction and another rotate in anti-clockwise direction are called as optical isomer. If the rotation is clockwise, it is called as dextrorotatory, and if the rotation is anti-clockwise, it is called as levorotatory. In this case also, either in 4 coordination number or in 6 coordination number, homoleptic complex does not show optical isomerism. Directly the example of 6 coordination number is given, like if it is the case like MAA3 bidentate ligand 6 coordination number. Let me take example that is of cobalt En thrice plus 3. Tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion. I can write this one as cobalt. It is forming 6 coordination number. 6 coordination number plus 3. यहाँ हमने आईना रख दिया मिरर. I will get the mirror image as cobalt 6 coordination number. This is En, En, En plus 3. If this rotate plane of plane polarized light in clockwise direction, it is dextrorotatory. And if it rotates plane of plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction, it is levorotatory. So, chirality is must to show optical isomerism. ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म शो करने के लिए वहां चिरैलिटी शो होना बहुत ही मस्त है. चिरैलिटी शो कर. इवन इफ आई एम टेकिंग एग्जांपल MAA3 की जगह मैं MAA2A2 ये भी कॉम्प्लेक्स लेता हूं. एग्जांपल क्या है? 2Cl2 if Cl2 plus 1. What I will do? एक En के जगह पर मैं Cl लिख देता हूं. Cl लिख देता हूं. This will be plus 1 plus 1. If this is dextrorotatory, this is levorotatory. But if it is the case of homoleptic complex, then in homoleptic complex it is not possible to show optical isomerism. Show nahi hota. Why? Because different arrangement possible nahi. And ध्यान दीजिए, this is dextrorotatory, this is levorotatory, and they are non-superimposable mirror images of each other, and hence they are enantiomer also. इसलिए वो enantiomer भी है. Non-superimposable mirror image है, they are enantiomers. Why? Non-superimposable mirror images of two optical active forms, hence they are enantiomer. Let me revise optical isomer once again. Optical isomer is a stereoisomer. Two optical active forms of same substance in which one rotate plane of plane polarized light in clockwise direction and another rotate in anti-clockwise direction, then they are called as optical isomers. To show the optical isomerism, chirality is must. The compound must be chiral. Homoleptic complex does not show optical isomerism. In case of MAA3, इसके पहले हमने देखा था, like COEN thrice square bracket plus 3 or MAA2A2 COEN twice Cl2 bracket plus. These coordinate complex having 6 coordination number shows optical isomerism. As they are non-superimposable mirror images of each other, they are also called as enantiomer. These optical isomers are called as a enantiomer. एंड एक बात ध्यान में रखिए, ये जो मैंने कॉम्प्लेक्स लिखा है COEN twice Cl2, आप इधर भी देख रहे हैं. Here we discuss in geometrical isomerism examples, and here we discuss in optical. Means what? Such type of complex having formula MAA2A2, they shows geometrical as well as optical isomers वो शो करते हैं. This is about the stereoisomerism, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Stereospecific property का मतलब in geometrical isomerism arrangement around the central metal is different. Special arrangement of ligand around the metal, that is stereospecific property. In optical isomerism, the rotation of plane polarized light, when the beam of light is passed through the compound, that rotation is the stereospecific properties. ये दो properties different होती है. These are the stereospecific property.